In this video, we will see how the access roles feature work in the Pro version of Incognito Admin Manager plugin. First, we install and activate the Pro version to unlock all features. Then we go to Incognito Admin Manager and open access roles. We select the store admin role that we created before and enable the settings. Here we can choose how pages are hidden. We can either block access and show a no access page, or hide the menu only while still allowing access through a direct link. The plugin automatically shows all WordPress menus and submenus, and we simply select what we want to hide. We can also add extra slugs, as you see, hide the admin bar and set a login redirect link. After saving, we refresh the store admin user and see that only allowed menus are visible, as we see here. Here we choose hide only, so the pages can still open using the link. For example, for the posts, we hide the add post, but when we press on it now, it opens normally. If we make edit for the store admin role and we choose now block and show no access page and update the store admin role, when we go to the posts, as you see now, and choose add post, it will show a access restricted page for the role store admin. And if we try for other unhidden pages, they will open normally. And we are trying to open menus that are blocked. There they will show the no access page, as we see here. Now for the login redirect URL, as you see, when the store admin role login, he will go to the users page. This I put it inside the settings when I add the store admin role settings, as you see here, the login redirect URL. For the hide admin bar, for example, when the user visits the site, as you look here, the top admin bar is hidden. So now if we uncheck and update and we go to the same page, as you see now, the top admin bar will be not hidden, will be shown. And now for each role we can enable or disable it. For example, here we disable the store admin role, so the user who has this role, as you see now, when we make refresh, all is working now since we disabled the role.